Welcome to our Math Fraction Series, lesson number 9. This lesson we're going to be looking at equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions have the same value, even though they may look different. These fractions have the same value, or these fractions are the same. Half is equal to 2/4 is also the same as 4/8. The fraction keeps its value when you multiply both the top and bottom by the same number. So let's look at our fraction half. So we're going to multiply our numerator 1 by 2 and also our denominator 2 by 2, multiplied by 2, which will give us a fraction 2/4. We can go further, multiplying our numerator 2 by 2 again, our denominator 4 by 2, give us a fraction 4/8. So half is equivalent to 2/4, 2/4 is equivalent to 4/8, even a half is also equivalent to that fraction 4/8. You can see the model representation here. So half is same as 2/4, same as a fraction 4/8 on the models. The fraction keeps its value when you divide. So here we can also divide both the top and bottom by the same number. So here we have 36 over 72. So we're going to divide our numerator and denominator by the same number. So 36, we are going to divide by 6. So we also have to divide our denominator 72 by 6 also. So 36 divided by 6 will give us 6, and 72 divided by 6 will give us 12. Our equivalent fraction here is 6/12. We can further divide 6/12 a fraction. So our numerator 6 divided by 6 again, and denominator 12 divided by 6 gives us that equivalent fraction half. So in a half is equivalent to 6/12, which is also equivalent to the fraction 36 over 72. 36 over 72 is also equivalent to half. And we can also have our pictorial representation. So here we only have up to half and a 6/12 here. We represent 36 over 72 would look just like the 6/12 and also like the 1/2. Let's go to our practice session. Now let's complete the equivalent fractions. So we have 1/7, and what will be the equivalent fraction we're going to get from 1/7 that we with a numerator of 7. So 1 multiplied by what number will give you 7, and that same number you have to multiply 7 denominator by that number to get the new denominator for our equivalent fraction. So 7 multiplied by 7 will give us 49. So 7 was multiplied by 1 to give us that 7. So 7/49. Complete equivalent fraction 6 over 24. If you look at our denominator 8, so this means they divided it. So we have to divide that numerator 6 by that same number that we had divided 24 to get our denominator 8. So our equivalent fraction 2/8 means that we divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 we got 2, and 24 divided by 3 we got our equivalent fraction 8. Let's complete the equivalent fractions. 2/9. We look at our denominator 27, so that means we multiplied So what will be our equivalent fraction? Because we have to know what we multiplied 9 by to the 27 to do the same thing, multiply that number by 2 to get our numerator. So we multiplied by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 9 times 3 is 27 to get our equivalent fraction of 6/27. So summary here. You can make equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing both top and bottom by the same number. Note, you only multiply or divide, never add or subtract to get an equivalent fraction.